Thank you. I started the day with having coffees in the morning with my mom. I used to work with her a lot before, so we met for coffee this morning. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Hello. Hi.
Hello, Madam Alhaj, I'm the Minister of Trade and European Affairs.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Predsedničke Európskeho parlamentu poďakoval za zámer, ak udržiavame korektné vzťahy.
And I think it's only right to keep proper relations elsewhere.
Myslím si, že netreba opakovať veci, ktoré som povedal pani predsedničke.
I think I don't have to repeat things I said to you as a pragmatic politician in the European Parliament.
Chcem zdôrazniť, že som sociálny demokrat, ale